Meh. Well, there you have it. The 2 bucks in Dover are filming behind us. Are still behind us. 3 does that we thought we spooked earlier, that were over here, came back this way towards us. The one presented me with the shot. She was about 30 yards out. I tried threading the needle on her and I shot right over her back. I don't know.